Alright YouTubes, in today's video we've got a product review to do. Product we're reviewing today is the XTOOL D5S Diagnostics tool. We're going to get it out of the box, get it set up and go through some of the features that it's got. So here's the diagnostics tool itself, charging cable and the cable to plug into your OBD port. I haven't gone through any of this yet, so let's turn it on for the first time. Should have some charge. And yeah, nice little compact machine, nice size, obviously touch screen. I think the first thing we'll have to do is maybe register it. So we just connect it to Wi-Fi. So it asks you to create an account. The first thing I noticed straight away is the touch screen seems to work really well. So I've created an account, it says it's been successfully activated, and we can start. I've done a product review on the XTOOL mobile device, so for your mobile phone, it's constantly updating all the time, so this is showing it's got a few updates to do, so we'll just get the updates done first before we try it. And this may take a little while. So we'll get the updates done and then come back once it's updated. Right, that's all the updates done. Took a little while, there's quite a lot, so I don't know how long this machine's been in the box, but constantly updates all the time, so I let it do all the updates. So now it says software up to date. It's similar to the XTOOL device that you can use for your mobile phone. That app updates all the time, and I always connect it. They recommend to connect it, if you're not using it, to connect it at least every 30 days to keep it up to date, which is a good thing. So it's ongoing all the time as things change with vehicles. That's it, updates done. Have a quick look through it. So have a look at more first. That's where your reports would be if you store reports. Some settings there, report to a cloud, display brightness and sleep time and stuff like that on the settings. Looking at special functions, it's like you can do a lot of stuff.
So it's good. Be good for like mechanics,
yeah,
or like DIY mechanics.
Yeah. Well, let's just have a quick look through the menu now. Let's have a look at special functions to see what it can do. Looks like quite a lot. So ABS bleeding, battery monitoring system reset, cam sensor adaptation, ECU reset, EGR valve relearn, electronic parking brake reset, electronic power steering adaptation, DPF and GPF regens, injector coding, gearbox adaptation, headlights, windows, oil reset, tyre pressure monitor system reset, sunroof initialization and throttle adaptation. So loads of special functions there. Quite impressed with that, to be honest with you. Next best thing to do now is to connect the cable and go and connect it to a vehicle and see how the scanning works. Right, so we're going to plug it into this vehicle and go through some of the functions on it. Got obviously it's cabled, it's not wireless, so you've got to plug the cable in. There's a quick start guide as well, which is really straightforward. So first thing to do is connect the cable to the diagnostics machine. It's connected. Plug it into the OBD port. It says to put the ignition on, so plug it in and turn the ignition on. Right, so I think the first thing we're going to do is click diagnostics, see what happens there. So you can choose your vehicle and your region, depending on what vehicle you've got. Or like I've done with the previous XTOOL that I've got for my phone, I always press auto scan. You've got an option to put it in manually, let it go through auto scan. Give me two options, BMW and BMW EV, be for electric vehicles. So it's got all the information, the VIN, year, model, engine, transmission, region and the mileage. It's all correct. So it just gives you a bit of safety information, what to do before you press OK. So press OK. You've got a couple of options. You've automatic scan, which will scan all the ECUs, or you can choose drive, chassis or body, depending if you're just looking for a specific ECU or specific fault that you know what part of the car that's for. You don't have to scan the whole vehicle if you don't want to, but we just do automatic scan. We choose engine, So that's it, we ran an automatic scan on this car, and there's no fault code stored on this, so there's nothing to clear, nothing to look at. But yeah, it scanned all the modules. So you can exit the scan. You can do things manually, you can just let it do everything to automatic. You can go to specific modules that you maybe just want to look at airbags or any of those things. Like I said earlier, with the special functions, there's lots of things to reset. So it's great for mechanics and, you know, people that do stuff for themselves at home on their own vehicles. Handy little device to have. The touch screen seems to work fine. I haven't had any issues with the touch screen. Works really well, functions really well. A few more options than this, and maybe the smaller mobile device displays really clear, really straightforward to use, and with the constant updates, you're always going to be up to date with things that change on vehicles. And it seems to cover all bases, all vehicles across all regions. So yeah, great little tool. So I just want to say a massive thanks to XTOOL for sending this out and letting me do a product review on it and demoing it. I've never had a handheld type diagnostics like this, so this is going to be great for us to use. One downside maybe to using the mobile phone versions is I've had it when I've been scanning a vehicle to clear some codes after removing sensors from the vehicle. And I've had a phone call come through in the middle of a scan, so I know I could probably turn my calls off, but I forgot all about that. It interrupted the scan, so it's good to have a separate thing. And as well, if you want to start looking on your phone for reasons why you've got certain fault codes, you've got the XTOOL doing the work of the scanning. And you've still got your mobile phone handy to look up any of those fault codes that you may find. Lots of options with it, great little tool. If you want to purchase one, there's a link in the description with a discount code. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. And we see it. So if you want to purchase one, there's a So if you want to purchase one, there's a link in the description with a discount code. And thanks for watching, really appreciate it. And we'll see you again in the next one. Look after yourselves.